Hello class, this is Dr. Valenzuela. Welcome to Math 101, Week 2. I want to review Week 2 and get you started in it. Remember that you're going to want to review my weekly announcements. And to get to the announcements, you're going to click on the announcements section over here on the left-hand side of your course. You'll see my Week 2 announcements. You'll see the video for getting started here, and then I'll have the graphing report project for Week 2 here. Okay, and so make sure you scroll through the entire weekly announcement that I have for you. When you look at Week 2, go to the Weeks button here. Then click on the Week 2 link. It's about fractions and decimals. Remember that you're going to work on ALEX. Remember the ALEX system is over here on the left-hand side. You're going to want to do your reading assignment. The ebook is inside ALEX. Yeah, the practice homework. Remember that's practice. It's not graded. But you have the ALEX quizzes, which are part of your grade. Now, if you scroll down into my announcement, you'll notice that I have made a note that quizzes are worth 100% and will sync to the grade book when you begin to work in ALEX. Homeworks are now treated only as practice homework. However, you have to complete 50% of the homework in order to get the quiz to open. Okay, so remember that you have to get complete at least half of the practice homework to let the quizzes open in ALEX. You have your weekly discussion. Okay. Now, when you're doing the discussion, you've been asked that buying a new carpet for the office, you're given the dimensions of the office floor plan as shown below. The carpeting you want to purchase costs $2.25 per square foot. How much will it cost you to buy carpet for the room labeled carpeted floor? Okay, so it's $2.25 square foot. So the key here is to come up with the square footage. Okay. And so once you get the square footage, then you will be able to come up with the answer. Now, to get the area of a square, it's the length times the width. So area, which is in we'll use square feet. It's going to be equal to length times the width. So, for instance, when you have the area here, 12 feet by 12 feet, the square footage here is going to be 12 feet times 12 feet. Okay. And then you'll do the multiplication. And because it's a foot times a foot, the answer will be in feet squared. Okay. Square feet, okay. And 12 times 12 is 144. So 144 square feet. And then this one is 20 feet by 20 feet. So to get that one, okay. So you would do area in square feet is equal to length times the width. And that's equal to 20 feet times 20 feet, which is equal to 20 times 20 is 4. That's 400 feet squared. Oops, squared. Use the square button there. So when you add up both the 400 and 144, that's 500. Oops. Need to go back down here. So you add them both up, 144 and the 400, that is 544 feet squared, square feet. Okay. And then what you have to do is you have to multiply that 544 feet squared by the 544 times the cost per square foot, 225 per square foot. And that'll give you the total cost. This is the cost per square foot. This will give you the total cost to carpet both of these areas here, or to tile. Oh, carpeted floor. Oh, sorry. Well, I actually did a little bit more work than I needed, because it says here, how much will it cost you to buy carpet for the room labeled carpeted floor? Oh, okay, so this is tile. So don't worry about the tile floor. So this is the tile floor. And then this area down here is the carpeted. So the 144 feet squared, this was the tile. We don't need that. So just forget about that. So it's 400 square feet. So then this would be 400 times the $2.25 a square foot to give you the cost to carpet just this carpeted area. Okay. That'll help you with the math part of it. Okay. But that gives you an idea of how to do the square footage. Okay. Let's take a look. Now you also have your reflection, the week 2 reflection. And what you'll do is you're going to submit your responses to the following questions. Which 2 ALEKS help features do you find the most beneficial? And how do these features help you solve the math problems in a shorter amount of time? And do you have a study schedule that allow you time to log into ALEKS? Okay. And then what you're going to do is you're going to submit that in this folder here. You're going to click on this link, and then you'll submit it in this folder and submit. Okay. Now let's go back to week 2. Okay, so you have your ALEKS work, the ALEKS quizzes to complete. You have your discussion, and then you have your reflection in week 2. Okay, so if you haven't already, make sure you review my graphing video, which I will post in the week 2 announcement. It's from week 1, but make sure that you review it carefully, because you'll want to start looking at and thinking about your graphing project. Okay, so have a great week 2. This is Dr. Valenzuela, and I look forward to working with you. Thank you.